The species selected to grow in the calderas are adapted to local conditions and chosen for their ability to create a self-sustaining ecosystem. Through circular resource management, water, nutrients, energy, the vegetal calderas maintain a natural balance that requires minimal human intervention after the initial setup. This model is particularly suitable for arid zones, abandoned industrial sites, or depleted lands, where biodiversity has been heavily impacted. In addition to their ecological function, the vegetal calderas stand out for their energy potential and electromagnetic radiation capabilities. This energy production is used to power the caldera's installations, but can also provide electricity to local public infrastructure. This energy model is especially relevant for rural or isolated areas, where access to sustainable energy sources may be limited. The vegetal calderas are also designed as spaces for environmental education and awareness. These areas invite visitors to discover sustainable management practices, observe restored ecosystems, and better understand the importance of biodiversity. They frequently host awareness workshops, educational tours, and ecology-focused events, offering a true environmental education center accessible to all. In a world where the climate crisis demands both local and global solutions, the vegetal calderas are an inspiring, adaptable, and powerful model. In Spain and beyond, they could play a crucial role in the transition to a more planet-friendly future. Whether as a refuge for biodiversity, a source of renewable energy, or an awareness center, the vegetal calderas represent a bold and indispensable response to today's environmental challenges.